What's up guys, and welcome to my vlog again. And before you watch the video guys, please don't forget to click subscribe, comment, and share para ma-update kayo sa mga next vlog ko. Today's video, I am going to show you the new transient house of my brother. I'm just going to help him to manage this house and to promote this house kasi bago pa lang siya. And it's located in Baclayon, San Vicente, Baclayon. So I'm going to show you yung inside at baka meron kayong planong magbakasyon dito sa Bohol, having a short stay. Baka magustuhan nyo. So, yan. Just watch the rest of this video para makikita nyo yung inside the house and more details. So, tara, tour tayo. So this is the inside of the house, and here this is the shoe cabinet, dining table, and then the kitchen, stairs. Then here is the living room with 2 sofa. Then that is Wi-Fi. 6-seater table, and this is going upstairs. Here's the storage room, and there is 1 bedroom downstairs. So as of now, it's fan only in this room, but we are going to install an air console in this room. And here is the kitchen and the refrigerator. So this is the kitchen, and there is 1 toilet and bath downstairs beside the kitchen and the shower also. As of now, we don't have hot and cold yet, but hopefully next time we can install hot and cold. So here is the downstairs space or area. Yan. And then the exit door of the kitchen. Here we have a little area here and mini washing area. And here is the laundry area. And that is the neighbor. And the garbage, where you can throw your garbage, and a little space at the side of the house. And now let's go upstairs. So akyat tayo sa taas guys para makita nyo pa ang mga more bedrooms pa sa taas. Merong isang 1 bedroom sa baba at 3 bedroom sa taas. Dalawa pa lang ang merong aircon. At yung dalawa, electric fan pa lang. So, dandahan pa naming lagyan ng aircon yung mga rooms na wala pa. So, let's go and take a look. dito yung common toilet and bath. Then, nandun yung master bedroom. Then, here is the 2 bedrooms. So, dito muna tayo sa master bedrooms. Then, dito ang common toilet and bath sa taas. Yan. Master bedroom. Yan. So, empty. Wala pang gamit. Mayroong isang madras. So, dito sa master bedroom, mayroong sariling toilet and bath. Dito. Then, dito yung walk-in na mayroong sink. Mag-wash dito. Ayan. Up and down na cabinet. So, here is the shower. Then, toilet. Ayan. So, mayroong maliit na cabinet ito. Then, aircon. Then, dito sa master bedroom, mayroong sariling terrace or balcony. And this is the view of the balcony upstairs. Ayan. Surroundings. And makikita natin dito yung Provincial Road. Ayan. This is the view. The neighbors, and they have a mini store. So, let's go inside again. So let's take a look at the 2 more rooms. So this room has no aircon yet, only the fan. And this is the queen size bed of this room. Still empty, no cabinet yet. And the back view of this room. And over there is the, you can see, the school, elementary school. And here's the view at the back. Actually, maganda dito paggabi. Kasi mahangin dito kasi marami mga punong kahoy. Itong room na to kahit walang aircon. At dito tayo sa, kasi nandun yung master bedroom. Then dito tayo sa isang room. May nag-check-in kasi dito. Ano sila? More than 8 at nag-extra bed sila. So, yan. Then, here's the bed. Then, itong room na to, there is an aircon. So, upstairs, only 1 room has no aircon. Downstairs, no aircon yet. So, the view of this room. Ito ang makikita nyo. Yan, neighbor. Yan. And now, we are done touring the house, guys. About the price, 4,000 per night, maximum of 8 person. Kung family kayo, more than 8 person kayo, pwede lang siguro. Then meron namang mga extra madras, mag-add-on na lang siguro. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung area dito, guys, at may plan kayong mag-vacation dito sa Bohol, just message me in my Facebook para ma-replyan ko kayo agad. So, the distance here from Tagbilaran to Panglao and some other tourist spot here, I think 10 to 15 minutes drive, depende sa traffic, going to Tagbilaran and the port area. Malls. Yeah, malapit lang dito sa Tagbilaran yung Baclayon. It's just 5 to 6 kilometers ata. Then going to Panglao, it takes 15 to 20 minutes going to Aluna and Panglao Airport. Then malapit lang kami dito sa Baclayon Church, historical church. Mga 1 kilometer lang siguro. Then going to Chocolate Hills, it takes 1 to 2 hours drive. Medyo malayo yung Chocolate Hills. Tarsier area, Lubok. Yan, Mirror of the World. Malapit lang dito. Two towns lang from Baclayon to Sikatuna. Baclayon, Corelia, then Sikatuna, Mirror of the World. So that's it. And before I close my vlog, guys, please like the page of this house, Transient House Baclayon. So i-attach ko dito yung page niya, Facebook page, kasi mag-upload ako doon sa mga new updates. So ayan. Thank you for watching, and till next time, comment and subscribe and share my video, guys, and para ma-update kayo sa mga next mga vlogs ko. Bye bye.